No! Can you? Oh my God! Oh my God! No! 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 No!
Whereyahidin is going to decline outside. Defense down.
Wow.
This was intentional.
Come on, no!
Don't let the clock start.
Why is my alarm going off?
Immediately said, no, we decline it. Let's do it again.
Oh my God. Come on. Come on, get the first down. No! No! No!
This the real one, baby.
No! No!
It's fourth down.
No!
On the first down, and this was there.
No! Saquon! No! 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 Oh, the Eagles leave the door open!
40 seconds or so.
No!
For the Falcons. And a chip shot at 28 yards. Bad snap. Good hold by Red Man.
You gotta be kidding me! No! 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 Just let this nightmare end, please! Please! Eagles, why are you leaving the door open?
Good job by Grant. Yeah, absolutely.
Why didn't you run the football? You gotta be kidding me, y'all just left the door open. Now I'm nervous again. Y'all can't close out a game for shit.
3 for 3 on the night. It's a 6.
You get a first down to 2, 43 seconds left.
Got some timeouts.
Holy fucking shit. Come on, sports guys, give it to me, please. Third down and 5. At the 8. Cousins drops back. Throws it a corner. Touchdown! Oh my God! 34 seconds! Holy fucking shit! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I'm telling you, Shaq transparent. Up.
There was no pressure on Cousins the entire way down the field. There wasn't a Darius
Slay.
He gets full, but he's got his eyes more on Cousins than he does Drake London. As London comes
Oh my God!
on Cousins,
We still have 3 timeouts. Or 2 timeouts. Oh my God, bro. Come on.
Hurts gets hit as he throws in.
Oh yeah! Intercepted! Oh my God, we're gonna win! We're gonna win! Holy fucking shit! We're gonna win! We're gonna win! Oh God damn! Oh! Oh!
But they bring 5, knowing they need to make a play, get the ball out of Hurts' hands immediately. Bates, he's working that way, over the top, and right there then to make the interception. Big free agent signing last year. Ended up as a Pro Bowler, former Cincinnati Bengal, and a big ad by Terry Fontenot, the 4th-year GM. There's another Week 2 upset.
Holy fucking shit! Oh, thank you.
Getting the Falcons down the field and into the end zone, and we go back to the question by Hurts. He's just reaching, and he's going where Hurts' eyes take him. He sees the
Hey, good game, bro.
combination.
Get the camera on his face.
And with the
You need me alone. Holy fuck! You need me alone, you $5.
that's the final.
That was a good play. That was a gutsy. Oh yeah! Oh my God, the game's over! Holy fucking shit! Hey, Whereyahidin, bro. I know you're gonna rage, man. Hey, kidding, bro. I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Oh, say you're sorry. You're not sorry. Don't apologize to him. Let him suffer in agony and misery. These are the kind of games we lose. Don't be apologizing. Yeah. What a last drive. What a last fucking drive by the Falcons. Well, it was set up by the fact that guy dropped the damn first down that would have sealed the game. Holy fucking shit, we pulled it out in Philly. They calling me now. Who's calling me? Oh my God. Who's calling me? We did it, y'all. Falcons did it. Holy fucking shit. Hey, Fizz, I don't care if you're fucking pissed, you hater. Just come on, we love you, man. Anything but glad to. Hey, Johnny, come here, come on. Celebrate. Get it. Hey, that fourth quarter, wait, come on, talk to me. Talk to your people. Yeah. I don't know what to say. It's been like 4 years since we've had this kind of a victory. These are the games we lose normally. Moral losses, moral victory. I'm glad we got a physical victory, not a moral victory. That was the Kirk Cousins I want to see. Fucking damn motherfuckers. Yes, bro, yeah! Wow, that's creepy. Hello, it's creepy. Holy shit, we beat the Philadelphia Eagles in Philly.
Oh, when it all,
Yeah.
all falls down.
This the real one, baby.